Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows could not start the Windows IDEO services on local computer in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For this you need to go register editor. For that you need to go register editor, press Windows and R key, then type here regedit, hit enter, click on S, click on HKEY current user, double click on HKEY current user, then double click Microsoft, double click Windows, double click current version, double click Explorer, then double click Startup approved, then select default, click on modify, then type here value data, internal file, click on OK. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.